Hi guys, gawa ko short content lang ha. If you are in Manila and if you have relatives in Manila, mag-stock na kayo ng pagkain, power banks nyo, batteries for flashlights, that's for emergency. Kung nagma-maintenance sila, meron kayong mga senior, mag-stock kayo ng gamot for medicine because something is coming up. Something is coming up. Yun lang. God save the Philippines.